So this, I thought it was a regular airplane. So I was checking my cell phone, and then it disappeared. You will see it. I thought it was a regular airplane. I have pictures I can provide more detailed. So we see here that everybody, I think it's airplane or helicopter and stuff like that, and disappeared.
You saw how it disappeared.
One more time.
That was the spaceship of King Anu.
One more time. So if you have a vehicle, an aircraft that disappears in thin air, this is an UFO. This is this technology does not exist on Earth. So this, you see here, people, this is a spaceship of God, the Most High, King Anu, creator of all. Why I'm saying that? Because it disappeared in thin air. This is, I know it. We have seen it before. So now, again, you see, disappeared.
You saw how it disappeared, and that was the spaceship of King Anu. Because of that, it disappeared.
One more time.
Thin air.
So for those, this is debunking. That those people who claim these are an aircraft, this is a UFO, and I believe from what I've seen, this is the spaceship of King Anu, the Most High, creator of all. Elohim Anu, who is the God of the Bible and the Holy Quran, Quranu. So this is the only God that created life, and he is disappearing with his spaceship.
That was the spaceship of King Anu.
So we have another one here, also disappeared, also spaceship of King Anu. I'll show you. We have here also, I believe this is
the sun has already set.
So here we see the spaceship of King Anu. How do I know? Because it will disappear, like the one we saw in Almidano in Spain. This is in Switzerland, city of Basel. So we see how this is not an airplane or helicopter like they claim. Who's anti-Anu? They claim that is a regular airplane, vehicle or drone. I'll prove it is not. It disappeared now. You see people, please don't don't lie and pretend you don't see anything. Disappeared. One more time. We play it one more time. So here I was filming the sky, watching the sky, and then we saw the spaceship of King Anu. From nowhere it comes and it disappears in thin air. You see it now. Here it comes.
See it, people? Spaceship of King Anu. Hopefully it will not disappear quickly.
So you cannot deny this. I wish the leaders will be watching, but they don't allow their people to watch. So I'm very, very upset. Everyone, every leader, every country should watch this. This is very important to know. Thanks for watching.